Welcome to the Takarta Bible tutorial on changing Bible books, chapters, and translations. Let's get started. Tap the Bible icon on the bottom to get to the Bible. You can easily change chapters by swiping left or right. I'm in John chapter 1. Swipe left to go forward to John chapter 2 and John chapter 3. Swipe right to go back. Now what if I wanted to go to 1 Corinthians chapter 13, verse 3? Tap the navigation pill to change the book, chapter, and verse. Want to see what the Bible verse says in a different translation? Tap the navigation pill. Select translations and choose from over 40 translations, including the NIV, NLT, KJV, or ESV. Bible translations are free when you stream. We hope that this helps you get started reading your Bible.